Hello friend, how are you? I hope you are well. Today I see you how to remove your photo background easily with one click without any apps. So friend, we go to a browser like Chrome and click search bar and write www.remove.bg. Go to the website and upload image. Select a image. Done. Processing. Yes, this image is clearly sense background. Hello friend, you download it or editing and sense another background easily. Yeah, that's good. And download image and uh, find it your gallery. Okay friends, thanks for see this video.